What's up guys, this is Shawn and today we are in Astaka, Bukit Senyum, Johor Bahru. Reason for the weird introduction this time is because that is the direct highway straight into Singapore already, where it's called the Woodlands entrance. So there's only two entrances to Singapore. One is this, Woodlands, and which is the main one, and then there's one more in Iskandar side, right? And Astaka is just right there next to the causeway. Awesome. So now we are in level 6 and this is the swimming pool. Just to check around the surrounding. You can't get any more JB city than this area. But there's just Severe Tower, Pelangi Plaza is over that side, and you can get very low dense schools and things like that surrounding. So you can really tell the project is super high end, right? When they even use stone finish for common area chairs. What? And then you can get to see the lush landscape. And next to the swimming pool you have pavilions like this to actually chill, and then you have this corridor space, and the water body separates the corridor space with the chill out area. Let's go there. This is the waiting area and it's designed in a sunken manner, and you feel like as if you are enclosed by nature because you have the water body next to you, right? Greeneries, and then that's the entrance to Tower B already. See, it's very grand, and you just check out the furnish. It's one of those very few projects that actually mention material usage in common areas. You look at the stone finish, right? And everything is so elegantly done. Okay, on the level 6 as well, you have your changing room, your sauna and steam, right? And you can check out the wall finishes. Again, it's all stone. Then you have steel, metallic cover, right? Ooh, so it's really like a celebration of materials in this place lah. Okay, so this is the experience walking through level 6 with the lush greenery. So you can see the density, right? It's really, really well done. And the mixture of plants, I gotta say, because of the luxuriness, right, there's constantly security guards eyeing, following, like, because I'm now kind of suspicious to them and they keep following me, observing what I'm doing. So this proves that it's good lah. Then there's also CCTV all around the place. So this is actually located in JB City Centre itself. It's actually very close to Woodlands, and the main connectivity between three highways. There's EDL, and there's the Old Road and the Coastal Road. And it's super connected to different malls such as City Square, PSL, and Plaza Pelangi if you really want to consider, but this one a bit old school. This tree is actually in a stone throw away. You need to take a car 10-15 minutes away and you are there already. How can we forget the pride of Johor football team, Johor Darul Takzim, Southern Tigers. What class of luxury, right? Only the developer will actually decide to put a cigar room. Cigar room, eh? But anyway, this project, right, it's only 438 units in total. 2 blocks, block A, block B, one is higher. And I'll just share a secret with you guys. The Sultan has a unit here. Also, I've seen a lot of communal living, which is the shared dining experience, right? But I never met one that is actually so luxurious. Like you see, look at the amount of chairs and table and the type. And you check out the ceiling height and everything. This is where you can host your friends. So this is where you have your private chef cooking or preparing your meals, right? On this side of the kitchen, and then pass over to this side to host your guests. Okay guys, so now we are in the roof garden and we can actually see whether CIQ got jam or not. So I really like this facade because it's reflective and it actually changed. So if you look into the drone shots, right, when you circulate around, it actually change in accordance to the surrounding, which is... Okay, for security purposes, if you stay on this side of the unit, right, you can only scan this panel, and if you scan the other side, it's for this other panel. So now we are at the foyer, and his is also Shawn, Yeah, so Shawn will actually bring us into the unit. Let's go. Coming into the unit, you have the corridor and there's already one bedroom on this side. Okay, so maybe let's go check out the bedroom first. So before that, let's run through the spec first. This unit itself is actually 2659 square feet, 4 plus 1 bedroom and 5 plus 1 bathroom. My god, it's actually like a semi on air already. And this unit is actually going around 3 million, and per square feet wise we calculate it's around 1003 per square feet. So this is one of the smaller bedrooms, and the best thing about this unit is almost every bedroom, besides the main room, is an ensuite bathroom. Okay, let's check out the specs. Hansgrohe, right? Duravit and Duravit. Shower screen, shower, everything full, tiles up, towel holder, everything is provided because this unit is actually going out for fully furnished. Coming out from the room, this is the main entrance that we come just now. So there's a corridor where this is your common bathroom. And you can see top cabinets, Duravit basin, huge mirror, full tiles up, stone furnished, okay, and WC. After that powder room, you can get to see that there's 2 bedrooms on this side, and there you have it. The dry kitchen, dining and living, and your extravagant view. Just check out the scale of this dry kitchen, right? It's so huge, right? And this is to actually host the amount of friends that you have in this dry kitchen. You can prepare breakfast, you can prepare meals, salad, serve drinks in front, right? And it's so presentable, and the kitchen is actually by Signature Kitchen. Apparently they use branded hood and hob. Right, so Gaggenau, right? Then you have your basin, you have your top, switch plugs, everything. Then you have your oven and microwave. Next to your dry kitchen, you have your living space as well as your dining space. And there's this magical balcony I need to show you guys. This giant balcony, right, is 7 meters long and 2 meters wide, which is like 14 square meters just for your balcony. But this is only like, what you see is like the external balcony, but you can actually convert it, right? Because there's this extra layer. There's this extra layer where you can actually convert into another right? So once you close this, then this becomes your external balcony. So if you want external balcony, you can. If you want an enclosed balcony, you can too. This dual balcony system, right? My very first time, but I think the idea is kind of creative, meaning depending on whether how much guests I have in the house, I determine whether to use the extra space as external or internal, or even maybe daytime and nighttime. Nighttime I can open it up because it's cooling, right? And daytime I actually close it, then my aircon can actually full blast without even worrying that the aircon will leak up. Oh shit, you can't see me. Moving on, you have your wine racks here. So you have your bar, mini bars here. And you have another bedroom. So all bedrooms almost look the same, which is ensuite. But let's check out the master bedroom. Okay, coming into the master bedroom. White. Timber floor, nice, right? Then you have the bed here and you have very wide corridors. Maybe you can just ignore the bed sheet because maybe the color of bed sheet doesn't do justice, but you just check out the scale of the bedroom, right? Did I mention that the height of the unit is actually 3.6 meters? Now let's check out the master bathroom. Divided by a sliding door, this is your master bathroom. Ooh. For him basin, for her basin, countertop, cabinets, bathtubs, marble finish, awesome. Okay, partition for your WC and your shower area. So coming out from the master bedroom and across the dry kitchen, across the mini bar and the small bedroom, right? And we will reach the yard space. So this is the scale of a washer and dryer, and check out the scale of the room. Then next to it will be the wet kitchen. So in comparison to the dry kitchen, the wet kitchen somewhat feels normal. So there you have your basin and you have your hood and hob here, so it's normal. And if you really want this unit, right, Because all the plug points are here, so most probably the fridge is somewhere here. And you can actually add on another countertop this side. Okay, so next to the wet kitchen will be your maid room. And your maid will have her own bathroom, so she still can have her own privacy. So what's cool, right? The key card has actually two systems. One is actually for the main door, one is for the side door. So the maid can only use the side door to actually access. So they actually have a dedicated lift, which is the service lift. So they'll use the service lift to actually go in and out the unit without actually using the main lift area. So I think that's all for this review. It's now time for Shawn take 3 on 3. Point number 1 will actually be the connectivity, the location itself. Because the old road, they call it Boti, which is the Johor city centre, Johor Bahru city centre. There's a lot of traffic lights. So this is at the end of the road. You can actually have a choice to use the EDL highway or the coastal highway or the Woodlands intersection, right? To actually avoid all these traffic jams. And then you are only 5 minutes to Woodlands. You can actually in and out Singapore 10 minutes. Point number 2 is actually the luxuriness. I don't know whether it's that word or not. Meaning the material used, right, in all the common areas. Even the bench next to the swimming pool needs to be in stone finish. Then if you look at the lounge, you look at the cigar rooms, you look at all the wayfindings, everything like that, all gold plated, it really brings out the luxury feel. Third of all will actually be the view. The view here is actually very spectacular. At selected units, you can actually see Marina Bay Sands at Singapore when the sky is clear lah. 3 things I don't like. Number 1 is actually the entire Johor market sentiment about properties. From an outsider point of view, right, the supply here is always too high because the demand, which is the population, is never picking up. Point number 2, with 2006 square feet, right, I thought that the bedroom could have been done a little bit bigger. The bedroom feels rather small, especially when you enter the space. You don't actually feel the extravagance. Last of all, just putting it out there, I think this is the most expensive apartment in JB itself. Not per square feet wise, but per square feet is almost similar where you have Circuit 88 and the rest, right, at 1,300 per square feet. So units around here starts from 2 over million to 3 million living in the sky. And I'm not sure the Johor market is actually ready for it. Or is it just really designed for our friendly neighbours? So I think that's all. Shout out to Shawn to actually show me around. If you really like this video, like it, share it, and even subscribe for more information like this. This is Shawn Tan. Ciao.